Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back for another update on Bitcoin. So yeah, I was talking about this on my video yesterday. If you haven't watched it, maybe you want to go ahead and watch it. So we broke this wedge on the downside, and I was expecting the price to go down to 4,120. It didn't reach the exact number, but it was very close, and then a bounce to retest the bottom of the wedge, like it was expected. If we look at this previous wedge here on the previous top for 3,000, it did the same. It broke the wedge on the way down, and then it bounced almost to the bottom of the wedge, and then consolidated for a couple of days, it seems here, and then it went into a bear market. So these are the options. What I can see here, if we this is the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour candle. So in this time frame, if we go sideways from here for a few candles, that would be bearish, very bearish, like sideways, or go up a little bit, but like just touch the 4,400 and not breaking it and go sideways. That's very weak, and that would signal to me we're gonna go into a bear market. In the other hand, if we actually have a retracement here, if we actually go down a little bit and bounce, if we get to, we make a higher low compared to this one, and then we actually have a bounce and break here the 4.4, that would be bullish in my eyes. So that's what I can see. I would be watching for this. If we continue to go sideways, that's very weak. It's like we cannot get higher prices, and then prices have to go down. But if we actually have a healthy retracement with a higher low and bounce, then that would be bullish. If we look at the weekly chart, we still have 3 days for this candle to be closed, and this is going to be very interesting to see, because we at this point we don't know yet if this is actually a lower high compared to this one. We don't know if we're going to close the week with a red candle here, or if this will recover and go up and maybe close with a little bit of green candle, or even if it was to close right now. This is a bullish candle, even though it's red, is a bullish candle, and it doesn't mean this is a new high. We could next week start going up, so this would not be a high. We would continue the trend up, and then we can maybe make a higher high. That would be very bullish if we continue to go up from here, or at least close the week just like this. But if it happens what I said here in the 4-hour candles, if we go sideways for one more day, which would be a few more 4-hour candles here, and then we get a sell-off on the weekend, like it happens sometimes, and we go down here before this week finishes, it means this candle, this weekly candle would close on a long red candle here, and that would signal for a lower high, which is bearish. And in that case, I would expect a bear market, and even maybe go down to the 50 period moving average here, so down to 2,500 or something like that, if we start making lower highs here. So yeah, that's the two options. I would be watching for this at least until this week finishes and this candle is closed. Let's see how this candle closes. But yeah, the lower it closes, the more bearish, and the higher it closes, obviously the more bullish. So yeah, I hope it's clear what I'm trying to say. And I'm gonna leave the video here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.